I'm studying in grade 7th day of NI Global Discovery School, and today I am very excited to present you my subject enrichment activity. I have chosen the club, science club, and the activity is maths activity, and the topic that I have chosen is PowerPoint presentation, and in PowerPoint presentation I will be explaining the term geometry. Okay, so first I will give you intro to geometry. Okay, geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the sizes, shapes, position, angles, and dimensions of things. Second, in geometry, the flat shapes like a square, circle, triangle, rectangle, etc. are called 2D shapes or two-dimensional shapes. The solid shapes like cubes, prisms, cylinders, spheres, etc. are called 3D shapes or three-dimensional shapes. Okay, so the main part, terms of geometry. So in this picture, as you can see, that there are 8 terms of geometry, and they are point, line, line segment, ray, plane, intersecting lines, parallel lines, and perpendicular lines. So the definition of the terms that you have seen in the picture. So point. A point is the most fundamental object in geometry. It is represented by a dot and named by a capital letter. A line is an infinitely long collection of points extending in two opposite directions. Now, line segment. A line segment has 2 endpoints. It contains these endpoints and all the points of the line between them. Okay? Ray. A ray can be defined as a part of a line that has a fixed starting point but no end point. It can extend infinitely in one direction. Intersecting lines. When 2 or more lines cross each other in a plane shape, they are called intersecting lines. The intersecting lines share a common point which exists on all the intersecting lines and is called the point of intersection. Okay, now 2 more left. Parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines in a plane shape which do not meet. That is, 2 straight lines is a plane shape that do not intersect at any point are said to be parallel. Okay, perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are defined as 2 lines that meet or intersect each other at right angles, that is 90 degrees. Okay, so some geometrical shapes. As you can see in the picture, there are some geometrical shapes: square, rectangle, circle, oval, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, cube, sphere, cylinder, cone, rectangular prism, pyramid, and many more shapes are there. Now, beautiful geometric designs. Wow, this picture is actually a very beautiful geometric design I have ever seen. The second one is the collection of all the shapes of the geometry. Mind blowing. The 2D shapes are very beautiful. Thank you everyone. Hope you like the video.
My name is Mishanaya. I study in grade 8. My school name is NI Global Discovery School, and today I am here to present a PowerPoint presentation on science facts based on Indian astronomy past and present. What is science? Science refers to a system acquiring knowledge and using observations and experiments to describe and explain the natural phenomena. Astronomy is the study of things that are present beyond the Earth's atmosphere, including objects which we can see and which we cannot see. In this, I have written that how astronomy began in India and what was the first astronomical figure found. 5th century CE was the golden period of Indian astronomy. This is also known as the Siddhantic era. Aryabhatta gave some important developments in mathematics and astronomy. ISRO is working tirelessly in contributing towards space research. This was founded by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai when he recognized the power and benefits of space technologies for India. We started the journey to space on bicycles and bullock carts in the year 1963 when we launched our first sounding rocket from Tumba in Kerala. Since then, India has grown into a space superpower, reaching the moon in 2008 and 2009, known as the Chandrayaan mission. Then came the Mangalyaan in 2013. Here come some interesting facts about some planets. Photos of some famous people who went to space for the first time. Cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin was the first man to go to space and making a 108-minute orbital flight in his Vostok 1 in 1961. Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman in space. She was selected from more than 400 participants to launch Vostok 6 mission on June 16, 1963. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go to space. In 1970, Rakesh Sharma joined the Indian Air Force as a pilot. Kalpana Chawla was the first woman from Indian origin to go to space. She was an astronaut and an engineer for NASA. Kalpana Chawla's first space mission took place on November 18 and she signed up for her next space mission and she got selected for STS-107 crew. Svetlana Savitskaya was the second woman in space and the first to perform spacewalk. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Paris Srivastav. I study in 8th class in NRI Global Discovery School. Today I am going to tell you about my pet. I have a pet rabbit. Her name is Bunny. She is very cute. She plays with me. She hops when she is happy. We play running race. She runs very fast. And wins. She loves to eat carrots. I keep her in a big and beautiful bucket every day. Every day morning when I get up, I run to the basket to greet my bunny. When I call her, she shakes her ears and looks at me with her beautiful eyes. I love my pet rabbit very much. Thank you.